Brown belt, firearm retention, blocking techniques. In order to block an attacker from grabbing your weapon, 4 things have to happen simultaneously. First, the right foot is going to step back, creating distance, and the lead hand is going to block the incoming reaching arm. Strong side arm is going to cover and retain the pistol, and a firm, positive verbal command is going to be given, such as, "Get back." As the opponent reaches for the weapon, step back with that rear foot, block with the lead forearm, cover the weapon, and issue a verbal command. Brown belt, firearm retention, blocking technique.